Welcome to the future of AI content creation. Imagine a world where generating videos is as effortless as a few clicks. I've developed a scalable system that harnesses the power of agentic AI workflows, custom avatars, and prompt chaining to produce hundreds of videos with minimal effort. I began this journey focusing on short-form content, utilizing Veed AI Agent and DID avatars. Each video was crafted with precision, integrating tools like Kimi K2 and Crew AI, all centered around real builds that resonate with audiences. This approach not only streamlined the creation process, but also ensured that the content was engaging and relevant. To scale effectively, I established a robust knowledge base. This included summarization rules that distill complex information into digestible insights, transcript handling for seamless content management, and multilingual logic to reach diverse audiences. By breaking down language barriers, we can connect with viewers around the globe. Next, I transitioned to agentic workflows. This is where Crew AI truly shines. By assigning specific roles such as onboarding, analytics, and support, I ensured that every aspect of the content creation process was optimized. Each team member, whether human or AI, plays a crucial role in maintaining efficiency and quality. The magic really happens with prompt chaining. This innovative technique allows for a seamless flow of ideas and execution, eliminating the need for complex coding. It empowers creators to focus on what they do best, crafting compelling narratives and visuals, while the system handles the intricate details. As we embrace this technology, we're not just creating videos. We're building a community of innovators and storytellers. The future of content creation is here, and it's collaborative, efficient, and incredibly exciting. So let's embark on this journey together. Subscribe and follow along. Let's build the future of content together.